Welcome to our channel. Today we're showing you how to connect a Google Nest Thermostat to Apple HomeKit, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your Nest Thermostat model. Apple HomeKit does not natively support all Nest thermostats. If you are using the newer Google Nest Thermostat that supports Matter, you can connect it directly. If you're using a Nest Learning Thermostat or an older model, you'll need a bridge solution like Starling Home Hub or HomeBridge. Step 2. Update your thermostat and apps. Make sure your Nest Thermostat firmware is fully updated. On your iPhone, update iOS to the latest version and ensure the Google Home app is installed and up to date. Step 3. Connect Nest to Google Home. Open the Google Home app and confirm that your Nest Thermostat is already added and working correctly. This step is required before sharing it with Apple Home. Step 4. Enable Matter and add to Apple Home. If your Nest Thermostat supports Matter, open the Google Home app, go to Device Settings, and select Connected Apps or Matter. Generate the Matter pairing code. Now open the Apple Home app. Tap the plus icon, choose Add Accessory, and scan the Matter code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 5. Alternative method for unsupported models. If your Nest Thermostat does not support Matter, connect it using Starling Home Hub or HomeBridge. Set up the hub, sign in with your Google account, and your Nest Thermostat will automatically appear in the Apple Home app. Step 6. Test and customize. Once added, test temperature control, automations, and Siri voice commands to ensure everything works smoothly. That's it. Your Nest Thermostat is now integrated with Apple HomeKit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more smart home guides and tutorials.